Welcome back. Let's shift our focus now to Karnataka. All the developments taking place. Are we just days away from knowing whether there will be a CM change in Karnataka? This speculation has been going on ever since Congress came to power in Karnataka. But now there are strong indications that DK Shivakumar's patience is wearing thin and there could indeed be a change. Remember, it is largely believed that there was an understanding in the Congress that Siddaramaiah and DK Shivakumar would share power in the state, with Siddaramaiah as CM for 2.5 years and then DK Shivakumar for the rest of the 2.5 years term. In what can be seen as a message to the High Command this morning, this is what DK Shivakumar put out the post as well here on the screen of what DK Shivakumar has put out on social media, which is being seen as a message to the High Command. Keep your word, says DK Shivakumar. Word power is world power. The biggest force in the world was to keep one's word, be it a judge, president or anyone else, including myself. Everyone has to walk the talk, he says. Is this a reminder of the 2.5-year formula? It looks like the message has reached the intended audience.
मैं इन सबको बुला के चर्चा करता हूं। उस चर्चे में राहुल गांधी भी रहेंगे और मेरे हमारे दूसरे मेंबर्स भी रहेंगे, सीएम भी रहेंगे और हमारे डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर रहेंगे। तो इन सबको बुला के चर्चा करने के बाद निर्णय होगा। हाईकमांड बोले तो टीम है, अकेला नहीं रहता, टीम है। जब हमारी पूरे हाईकमांड की टीम बैठ के चर्चा करके निर्णय लेगा।
Well, the drama is all set to shift to Delhi, the national capital, where sources say the CM and the deputy CM would be summoned soon for discussions with Rahul Gandhi and other senior leaders of the party. But when will the meeting take place? Both Siddaramaiah and DK Shivakumar have claimed that they have not been called for a meeting yet.
Kharge ji said that he will call you and DK Shivakumar to Delhi, sir.
Let them call.
He's made a statement.
Let them call. See, whatever decision High Command takes, I will follow.
ನನಗೆ ಯಾರು ಕರೆದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾಳೆ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ 50 ವರ್ಷದ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಅಕ್ಕಪಡೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಂಬೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೊಂದು ಖಾಸಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ. ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಹೋಗಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ ವಾಪಸ್.
My colleagues Imran and Neha are joining us on the broadcast now. Let me first go across to Imran. Imran, it looks like we are nearing the climax of this saga, the tussle that we have been witnessing, from day one only, in fact, ever since the Congress came to power in Karnataka. What's going to happen next? Is there a CM phase change? Because both CM and deputy CM might be called to the national capital, although there's no clarity on when that will happen, who will take the decision, and when are they going to announce that?
Well, this to September 29, there is a parliamentary meeting happening at Sonia Gandhi, where senior leadership of Congress will be there. There, the Karnataka issue will be discussed, and what we're getting to know is that after that, the meeting will be called of Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister to come to Delhi. Now, what we know is that this will not, that meeting of both the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister will not be the finalized, but it will set the ball rolling for discussion about CM change and the negotiations which will happen between CM and Deputy Chief Minister. As of right now, the saga looks like it's continuing for some time, even as we have seen that assembly session is going to happen on 8th of December. So, but this is the what discussions in sources informed telling us that today the meeting happened between Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge. It was decided to keep the further discussion in the parliamentary committee meeting in November 28th, and after that after the meeting we decided to call both Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister to Delhi along with senior ministers Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, and of course the ANC President Mallikarjun Kharge. The meeting will start. That will not be a final meeting, but will that set the ball rolling for the further discussion on the Chief Minister issue, and what various aspects of it will be discussed is what sources are informing us.
All right, Imran, stay on with us. I want to quickly go across to Neha as well. Even before they are summoned to the national capital, even before the discussion takes place, DK Shivakumar has made it absolutely clear through the post, which many see as a message to the High Command, that he's not willing to wait anymore. When he says keep your word. Word power is world power.
Well, Swati, that's right. You know, what we know so far, and it's quite evident here, is the fact that D.K. Shivakumar, of course, has sent a message now to the High Command, loud and clear here, that word power is world power. Of course, while he may have gone on to say, even yesterday, while speaking to Times Now exclusively, that the party's interests and his interests have always been taken care of by the High Command. He later, in fact, of course, even goes on to say that, one must, of course, struggle for their own rights within the party or otherwise. And a host of cryptic statements, of course, reading between the lines here, given the political drama in the state right now. Adding to this, of course, is Mallikarjun Kharge's statement that came in this morning as well, wherein he said that a meeting would be called where the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister, Rahul Gandhi and other senior leaders of the party would also be present, after which a decision would be taken. Now, going from, of course, a place of absolutely having no crisis or no issues within the party is what all of the MLAs and senior leaders had maintained, to now coming to an admission that yes, there is a need for a meeting to be called to resolve this crisis. We'll really have to wait and see. What we also know, of course, right now is that the Chief Minister's son, Yatindra Siddaramaiah, also an MLA here now, has in fact made quite a bold statement. They're saying that there's no need at this point in time for a change of guard, but of course all eyes on the meeting with the High Command.
Well, he's also one of the one who said that his father is at the fag end of his career, and then that there should be a leadership change. He's of course now saying there is no need for a change of guard, but the High Command will eventually take that decision. Imran and Neha, stay on with us. It's not just the camps or the leaders of the camps. It's also about the seers now who have waded into this entire controversy. A clear divide is being witnessed between the two sides. Vokkaliga seer and a Kuruba seer have thrown their weight behind Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar.
ಈಗ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಕಳೆದ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮವರೊಬ್ಬರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಟ್ಟು ನಿಂತು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸುಮಾರು 2.5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಂಬ ಆಶಾಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಆಗೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಆಗೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗದರೆ ಹೋದದ್ದೇ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೇಸರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜನ ಭಕ್ತರುಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸರ್ವವಿದಿತ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು. ಈ ಒಂದು ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಗೊಂದಲಗಳು ಏನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿದಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಾಡಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಟಂಥ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಷೇಮಕರವಾದ ವಾತಾವರಣ.
ಸಂವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಠಾಧೀಶರು ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸಂವಿಧಾನಿಕವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಶಾಸಕರಿಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಶಾಸಕರು ಯಾರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಿರ್ಣಯನ ಶಾಸಕರು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹೊರತು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
Niyamika is also joining us in the broadcast now with more details. Niyamika, all is clearly not well in the Congress, but the question is which camp is strong enough to get a decision in their favor? What's happening?
Well, it can't be said clearly. As for that reason, it is being told to us by the sources that very soon there is a high-level meeting which can take place in the national capital. However, the date is not yet being finalized. However, we have also seen that how the Congress President, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, has also, given this statement that he is going to speak to both of these leaders, as it might be possible that this meeting is going to take place in the next 2 to 3 days, where not just Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge but Mr. Rahul Gandhi is also going to be present. As for that reason, now Parliament session is also going to begin. So it is also being communicated by Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge to the Gandhi family as well that this needs to be sorted out as soon as possible, and this discussion is likely to take place in the next few days to finalize that whether there is going to be any change within the Karnataka or the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah will remain in power.
MLAs from both these camps will try and build pressure on the High Command to select their leader to continue on that post or to get that post. Niyamika, stay on with us. BJP, of course, has been, remember, questioning this leadership crisis, mocking the Congress from day one. And amid the power tussle that is being witnessed, BJP is now mulling a no-trust motion against the government.
power tussle in Karnataka, the Kissa Kursi ka refuses to stop. Now, DK Shivkumar ji, who has spoken about secret deal being there and 5 to 6 people knowing about the secret deal for CM that was made with him, says that word power is world power. He says it in a cryptic tweet, saying that the most important thing in the world is to keep one's word. Whom is he hinting at? Is this message to those who made the secret deal with him? Last 2.5 years, we have seen that INC means I need chair. It has only been about chair, 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 power, 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 and not people.
Well, interesting how BJP seems to be sympathizing and supporting DK Shivakumar. Let me go across to my colleague Pratibha. Pratibha, it's getting interesting. Are we only talking about CM face change, or is this more about now attempts being made for a regime change?
Well, Swati, it clearly looks like within the Congress party, the fight is on who will the chief minister be, and DK Shivkumar has made it clear that he was patient all along, but not anymore. That's the indication that has come in from his social media page. There have been enough indications that there could be a lot of changes in Karnataka, but let's talk about the decision, how it's going to be a very tightrope walk for the High Command. And Swati, for DK Shivkumar, he is somebody who is known as the money bags for the Congress party. He has managed elections in Karnataka for the Congress party, in the other states as well. So he is known as the money bag, somebody who is the troubleshooter of the Congress party, loyal to the core for decades together, despite having cases against him. But these cases are what are going to be his weaknesses. So that would be the weakness that the party will really have to look at. Can they afford to have a chief minister who could have this threat of being arrested? Remember, he has ED cases against him. But for Siddaramaiah, what works for him is the fact that he has been with the party for a long time. Sources also indicating that the party could be looking at a formula where Siddaramaiah could continue for the next few months, which means he can present the budget, he sets a record, after which there could be a CM change. Will that patience actually continue, and will DK Shivkumar be ready to wait for so long? And what happens if DK Shivkumar is indeed made the chief minister, or a decision where the High Command is leaning towards that? Will there be more people within the Karnataka Congress who will come out and say that we have been with the party for longer, why not we become the chief minister as well? We already had such reactions coming in from Parmeshwara as well. So it's really going to open up a can of worms for the Congress party. It's a tough decision to make. So we have to wait and watch what the High Command really decides.
Absolutely. Irrespective of the decision, there already is a rift. And perhaps once a decision is taken, Pratibha, that rift is only going to widen. Thank you very much for getting us the details, for breaking down the details for us. Now, remember, Mr. Yatindra, the son of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who once said that his father is at the fag end of his career and now the mantle should be given to someone who can work on the ideology of the party, is saying there's no need for any CM change. He's dismissed those talks. He's in fact said that there is no reason to change Siddaramaiah as the CM. He claims there was not aware of any power sharing formula. He asserted that all the MLAs are supporting Siddaramaiah as the chief minister.
ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗಂತೂ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗಂತೂ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಆಗಿ MLA ಆಗಿ ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬದಲಾಯಿಸೋ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅಂತೂ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ದೂರಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಗರಣ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಡಳಿತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, MLAಗಳು ಅವ್ರ ಪರವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸುವಂಥ ಅಗತ್ಯ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಪದವಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಂತವ್ರು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವೇನೇ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಸರಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗಂತೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ CM ಅವರಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳಾಗ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಪವರ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯಾರು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.